In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your X.com or Twitter follow requests in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you have a protected account and you want to review who is asking to follow you before you decide whether to accept or decline them. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy social media guides. Let's jump right in. First, open X.com on your desktop or mobile browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand navigation menu. If you don't see the full menu right away, click the More icon. This is the three-dot or menu option that gives you access to additional settings and features on X. After you click More, look for Follower Requests near the top of the list. This is where X stores the accounts that want to follow your profile but are waiting for your approval. Click on Follower Requests to open the full list. Now you'll see every user who has requested to follow you. Take a moment to review each profile carefully. You can check the username, profile picture, bio, and any other details that help you decide whether the person should be allowed to follow you. This is a great way to keep your account more private and stay in control of who can see your posts. When you're ready, you can choose what to do with each request. If you want the person to follow you, click Accept. If you do not want them to follow your account, click Decline. You can go through the list one by one and manage each request individually. And that's it. Once you accept or decline the requests, your follower list will update immediately. It really is that easy to check your X.com or Twitter follow requests and manage your account privacy. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.